Hey and welcome, it's Jamie Hartlett here from Crossfader, the online DJ school, and in this video we're going to talk a little bit about HID mode with Serato DJ Pro. Now you may not be aware that you can actually plug CDJs into Serato DJ and turn them into controllers to control the software. This is all done using USB hubs or going directly into your laptop. Now the reason I'm mentioning USB hubs is because MacBooks in particular only have 2 USB slots for the majority of the time. So the USB hub then allows you to connect multiple devices at once. You can get 2 options. Now I got both of these from Amazon. I'd recommend getting a USB 3.0 powered hub. This one's from Anker and this one is a DC in powered hub with loads of different USB ports on the top. This one is a non-powered USB hub. Now these still work. I would recommend getting a powered one, but the non-powered one, I haven't had any issues with it. So this again is from Anker and might be a bit cheaper. Let's have a closer look at how we can turn the CDJs into controllers and link them up to Serato DJ Pro. First of all, we're going to need some USB cables. These are USB A to B male to females, and all we need to do is go straight in to the back of each CDJ and into the back of a Serato DJ enabled mixer or a mixer that is enabled with Serato DJ Essentials. I'll put a list of these up and you can check out which ones are enabled on the screen, but once you've got all 3 USB cables plugged in, they all then need to run to the USB hub which plugs into your laptop. As you'll notice on the back of the equipment, I have no other audio cables plugged in from the CDJs to the mixer. We don't need them because there is no audio going from the CDJ to the mixer. The audio is basically coming from Serato DJ Pro and being sent out of the mixer. The CDJs just act as controllers and control the software. So if you've seen any videos with no audio cables plugged in like this, but the USB cables plugged in, that's where the misconceptions are probably coming in when you think there are fake DJ sets going on, because yes, it looks like that CDJs aren't plugged in, but actually they are. It's just set up in HID mode. Now let's take a close look at how to actually activate the CDJs on Serato DJ Pro so that they control the software. Once you have the CDJs plugged into the hub, or if they're going directly into the laptop, the CDJ screen should then, if we click the link button, show up something like this. This allows you to then turn the CDJ into the USB MIDI mode. It's flashing push to connect, just push the rotary knob, and then once it's turned into the PC mode, just scroll the rotatory knob towards the left and you can select what deck you want that CDJ to control. I'll choose deck 1 for this left hand side and then just repeat for the right hand side. Also make sure to choose the right channel on the mixer or the laptop icon using the selector knob. You'll notice straight away that we can scroll up and down our library actually on the CDJs. Once you have it set up, there are a range of features you can use depending on which CDJ you have plugged in using HID mode. Now on the CDJ 2000 Nexus, we have 3 hot cues. They can be set just simply by pressing the hot cue. And it correlates on the Serato DJ Pro screen as well. We can set loops. The loop mode button here will set an automatic 4-beat loop. You can use the arrows to double or half the loop length. We can exit the loop using the exit button. You can set a manual loop. You can turn the quantize mode on and off. The BPM correlates to the tempo adjust as well and it shows on the screen. You can change the tempo adjust width. We can also turn master tempo on or off as well, which turns on and off pitch and time DJ in Serato DJ Pro. HID mode just makes it super easy to control what's going on in the Serato DJ software right here on the CDJ. If you want to take advantage of HID mode with Serato DJ Pro on the CDJs but don't have access to a mixer that's either Serato DJ enabled or is part of the Serato DJ Essentials pack, then you'll need to look at a Serato DJ enabled sound card, something like the Denon DS1. I hope this video has given you some insight, and please remember if you've got any questions, just drop them in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in another tips and tricks video very soon.